share.
This is in two ways. Two of the products that set the benchmark in South Africa for products. Firstly, the Companion, and secondly, our original InstaAwn. The original InstaAwn has been developed by us, myself, Conqueror Northgate and Conqueror Eastern for the last 12 years. It's made specifically for our Conqueror Caravans. The important part, the back bracket fits like a glove on the caravan, ensuring no water runs through into your kitchen. Secondly, our arms is a custom-made extrusion where the drop-down leg fits into the arm. We've got specific little grooves inside the arm where you slide in LED lights. So when your LED light gets damaged, you can slide it out, slide a new one in, connect it, and there you go. We've got the pickup arms. It's a gas lift system pickup arm to ensure nice water flow. All canvas work is done in-house by us, where you've got 360-degree side panels available in either green or the platinum gray, as well as additions we make specifically for the InstaAwn. A little awning extension, a gazebo. You can do additional corners on the edges of your InstaAwn. Speak to your salespeople; they'll give you all the options available for this fantastic InstaAwn. Today we're removing the old L-shaped awning. We're going to fit the InstaAwn on. Firstly, the old L shape must come off. It's been on the caravan for quite a while. So it's sometimes not the easiest work, but it just slides into extrusion. The extrusion gets a bit dry, and then when you take it off, it bites a little bit, but it comes off. Okay, and that's the front part. Now the back part. I had to spray a bit of Q40, a lubricant, you can use Q20 as well, into the extrusion to get it off, because it's been on here for quite a while. And there goes the awning. Let's put the InstaAwn on.
The needle of the compass aligns with your wheels. Every turn a story reveals, from mountain peaks to desert sands. Life's greatest moments are in your hands. Oh, Conqueror, take me there, where freedom's found in the open air. With every mile, the world's my own. Adventures calling, we are never alone. Oh, Conqueror, by my side, through endless trails we'll always ride. Together we'll explore and roam. With Conqueror, the roads are home. Gather round, the campfire glow, sharing dreams only we'll know. Through every trail, our bonds will grow. The great outdoors has so much to show. From sunrise views to starlit skies, every journey's a paradise. Built for adventure, built for dreams. Conqueror's more than it seems.
All of these products can be found online at camponline.co.za.